So today I wanted to talk about a couple of updates, some really cool stuff that's going on in my life. And the first being I purchased a juicer. So right now I'm drinking some carrot and orange juice and it's so freaking good. But yeah, I've been wanting to have a juicer since like the beginning of time. When I was 7 years old, me and my best friend and cousin used to watch these like infomercials at like 2, 3 in the morning whenever we had a sleepover, and I would always watch the infomercial for the Jack Lalanne power juicer, and I was like, oh my god, someday when I'm an adult, I'm gonna own one of these juicers. Like, I probably saw this juicer commercial like at least 20 times because it was like on all the time because it was basic cable and that's just what the time was. But anyways, I finally got myself one and it was honestly really affordable. I got it at Walmart for like 60 bucks. So, you know, why the hell not? Especially considering I'm vegan, I love fruit, I love produce. Yeah, so it's been a ride and I recently tried it out and made some carrot juice. But something that got me even more intrigued was the fact that I had all of this leftover carrot pulp after I was done making my carrot juice. So I juiced carrots only because I happen to have hand squeezed orange juice in my fridge. So this is literally just carrots. But it's interesting because if you look at the texture is like this. It literally looks like pulled pork or like a tuna fish. Like, that's the texture. So I was like thinking to myself, I'm like, oh my gosh, the possibilities. I can totally use this pulp to make all sorts of cool stuff. So the first thing that I tried was I took some veganese, celery salt, a little onion, some lettuce, and some, like, you know, pickles, and I made myself like this vegan tuna fish wrap. It was just so intriguing to have the flavor profile of something like that I haven't had in such a long time. And I'm realizing, I'm like, oh, I never liked the taste of tuna fish. I just really loved celery salt. I love celery salt and I haven't purchased it in a very long time. So it was just so cool to have an opportunity to like bring this old ingredient back into my life. So that was really exciting. But I was like, how can I make this like over the top? I have this ingredient in front of me that I've never used before. I'm like, what do I do? So I was like, get me to the store, get me the sushi rice and the nori, we're busting it out. We're gonna make vegan spicy tuna roll. It's so insane for me to even say that out loud. Vegan spicy tuna roll. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys my process and just share with you the excitement that I have found that my juicer creates these incredible juices, but also this incredible byproduct. So yeah, come along on the journey with me. If you guys have seen any of my other videos, you know that this water that I'm pulling off of this rice can be used as a hair conditioning treatment. So I'll link below almost said downstairs. I'll link below my rice water videos. I have a couple of them, but I am a high proponent of saving your first wash rice water for doing a hair mask. Boom, just put that in your fridge and you're good to go. But yeah, I'm gonna rinse this out and then we're gonna cook some rice. So now it has come time to make the vegan spicy tuna filling. So what I'm grabbing is some hot sriracha, a little soy sauce, sesame oil, measuring spoons, as well as you're gonna need your carrot pulp. Depending on how much sushi you're making, you're gonna need a certain amount of carrot pulp. You can also add a little bit of sugar to the carrot pulp if you feel like you want it to be a little bit more complex in flavor. But yeah, those are the main ingredients. So let's stir them up. It's sushi rice time. So we've got our sushi rice, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some sugar in it. I'm horrible. Whenever I get to this point, I usually just handful. So I do like a handful of sugar. Maybe a pinch more. Whatever like a half cup looks like to you. Or I don't know, maybe you're afraid of sugar. I'm certainly not afraid of sugar, because I'm a high carb vegan. Now we're gonna add some rice vinegar. Vinegar that puppy up. I mean, it's 2 cups of rice, like really, it's not that much sugar. So yeah, we'll mix up that rice. I forgot to mention that I always let my rice cool off for about an hour before I mix anything into it, or touch it, or form it, or do anything like that. Because if you stir your rice hot with your rice vinegar and your sugar, you're gonna get a very, I don't know how to describe it, you're gonna get like a very gummy, unflattering product. I happen to have organic nori because I am so cool. Can't remember if it's shiny side down. I think it is shiny side down. I've got a bowl with some water in it for dipping my fingers. I got clean fingies. I've got my carrot pulp spicy tuna. I've got avocados and mangoes. So yeah. I'm gonna take the rice. So these are the finished sushi rolls. Yeah. So it's so interesting because if you look at it, it really does look convincingly of like tuna. It's honestly very convincing. And the flavor profile, since all I did was use the same ingredients that you would use in a spicy tuna, it's like literally very close. So yeah, I'm gonna take a very proud photo of these and then post them probably to Instagram. If you guys want to follow my Instagram, it's ScorpioGoddess77. Yeah, I'm really hungry and I can't wait to eat these. Have a wonderful rest of your night. I hope you guys try this if you're big into juicing and you want like a really good use for all the pulp that comes along with juicing. So yeah, give it a try. I'm really impressed with this. So thank you guys so much for watching and have a wonderful night.